of the old license number. Yes. Yes. This Japanese car has this kind of. Okay. What? すごいな。難しいなんだな。Yes, this is it. Yes, this is my car.
東京2020オリンピック聖火リレー。
皆さんお越しいただいてありがとうございます。さあ、この後も皆さんの目の前での聖火リレー、聖火ランナーをね、走っていくことになります。
Yaris. Yes, I bought a side of protection mold for JIimny. Yeah, this is JIimny parts of UK, United Kingdom. Yes, England. And this parts is made in Hungary. Hungary. Yes. The other parts. Yes. This is protection of hot wires line. Yeah. And the drink holder. Yes. For JIimny. Yes. Original design. Yeah. This is the side protection modes instruction. Yes, so many languages. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11? This part is for EU. Yeah. So many languages so that they use only the pictures. Pictures instructions. Yeah. It's an easy way to explain on picture. Yeah. Please measure by your eyes. Yeah. There are no Japanese. This is Japanese car, but no Japanese. Yes, JIimny is a very worldwide car. Yes, global car. It says these are symmetric, so It has a number one is right door, and number two is left door. Yeah. Yes. Suzuki, made in Hungary. Ah, okay. Yes, this is it. Getting back. Yeah. This, yes. There's no space. Almost no space. So that, and it prevents the air conditioner's air. It prevents maybe, and man, it's okay. It's okay. This is a protection for the Windows wire. The wire. Okay. Yes, it's too cheap. Yes. Oh, yes. Maybe some accidents makes it cut. Yes, I put the cover for wiring. Yes. And this side is also the same. Yeah, using a tape. Okay, it's complete. これが何て言うんだっけ？これがチーズがなんちゃらキッシュ。これがなんだっけ？豆。人間豆。これがサーモン。サーモンのなんちゃら。チーズのなんちゃら。豆のなんちゃら。これのサラダでしょ。かぼちゃがありつつチーズがかかっていていいね。これは本日の子羊で、だから子羊のなんかカシスだって。一緒のもとる。いや、これはうまそうだね。カモこんなでっかいんだ。うまそうだね、これは。いや。甘夏なんだっけこれ。
これキャラメルアイス
キャラメルアイスクリームいいね。いいやね。みんな。And this one is very clear. It's very clear. Yes, here. It's right handle. JIimny? Yes. This is it. Just 5 millimeters. Just a little narrow. Okay, it's okay. Narrow. Okay. Yes. Still, the vinyl cover exists. Yes, I must peel off. Yes. Too much shopping. Very good. Good. It's available for outside the airbag. If you buy the seat cover by the dealer, you had better to ask to put by dealer. Yes, it's very hard work, unbelievable hard work. This is the last view of a normal seat, quite new. Okay, how long does it take to put this genuine seat cover? Okay, too much work. Here, this way, here. Oh, easy to put, maybe. Easy. Yes, using a masking tape. Yes. Yes, it's quite new. No scratches. Yes, I want to protect the new condition, so that I will put the a luggage mat. Yes, genuine one, full cover type. Yes, this is it, very big one. I'll put the luggage mat. Yes, a genuine one, very expensive one. Okay. Yes, I put off the the snaps on here, around here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Using this one. Let's bring off the pins, and put the seat. It says they're using a tape. Yeah, and after cleaning this primer, put the tape. Yes, very good. It's perfect protection. Very good. Yes. Yes. Okay, here. Yes. And yes, magic tape.